Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. We're going to get that real popular saw from the 70s, that Super Pro 81. This one was made in 1976. It's 5 cubic inch, 82cc motor. Cable running up to a 36-inch bar. This one's got a 24-inch bar and chain on it, 3/8 pitch. And we'll take a close-up look at some of the features this saw had. Got the automatic and manual oiler. This is the manual pump right here. Kill switch right in the middle. Choke on the other side there, and decompression valve right there, that red button. And choke is right here. You do need to use that decompression valve. It is a high compression engine. Taking a look inside the air box here. There's the carburetor area. Got the wrap handlebar, a real popular feature on these saws. Large falling spike. And the muffler's in pretty good shape. It does have some dents and dings. It is vintage 70s, but still runs good. And we'll go outside and make a cut with it.